So, welcome for the next one, arithmetic. Arithmetic operations. Arithmetic operations used in 8051 microcontroller. Now, let us study the arithmetic operations used in 8051 microcontroller. We know that 801 microcontroller is nothing but a computer on a single chip. That means it should consist of all the processing unit, memory locations, memory unit, input output devices, and etc. They are all embedded in a single system, and hence microcontroller is known as embedded system. Since it is a computer, it has to do all the functions of computer. It has to do some arithmetic operations such as addition, multiplication, division, and etc. etc. The study of that is known as arithmetic operations. So, in arithmetic operations, we can perform additions. Second one, subtraction. Third one, multiplication. And fourth one, division. So, these arithmetic operations, to do addition, subtractions, multiplication, and divisions, you have to use some instructions. These are called arithmetic instructions. So, by using some arithmetic instructions, you can add two data, you can subtract any two data, you can multiply any two data, you can divide any two data, etc. etc. And we know that during addition, subtraction, multiplication, divisions, some flags are affected in the program status world. Okay. And also, using these arithmetic operations, you can increase the data by 1. Increase the data by 1. If 2h is the data, you can make it 21h. That is, increment the data by 1. That is, add 1 to the data. Similarly, you can decrease the data. If 20h is the data, you can decrease it by 1. When you decrease it by 1, you get 19h. So, an instruction used to increase is called increment, and instruction used to decrease is called decrement. These are also arithmetic operations. Usually there are 24 arithmetic operations used in 8051 microcontroller. We will discuss one by one. We know that what is instruction. Instruction consists of mnemonics followed by space, destination address, comma, source address. We have already studied in 4 types of register addressing mode. A complete instruction of 8051 consists of mnemonics, also called operational code, operand, also known as destination address, comma, source address. Examples: move is a mnemonic. A is a register which is in the destination, comma, hash 2bh. 2bh hash is an immediate data move. Immediately 2b is moved to A. This is a source, this is a destination, and this is operational code, or simply mnemonics. Therefore, this is one complete instruction. Similarly, the arithmetic instruction consists of mnemonic, destination, and source itself. But during arithmetic operation, the arithmetic instruction consists of the destination is always the register A. It is also called accumulator. The register A is also called accumulator. Therefore, the mathematical instruction, that is the arithmetic instructions of 8051, the destination is always the register A, and the source may be any one of the four addressing mode. It may be immediate addressing mode, it may be simply address mode, it may be register, or it may be direct RAM locations, or it may be indirect RAM locations. But this destination must be the accumulator A only. That is one important point should be noted when you are using arithmetic instructions. Now, we will discuss one by one what increment does. Increment INC is the operational code of increment. This instruction is called arithmetic instruction. This instruction has only destination and no source. But we know that all destination source should have A. Therefore, you can write increment A. This means whatever the content present in A is incremented by 1. The instruction increment adds 1 to the data present in A. Example, if A is equal to 32H, increment A means A will become 33H. Except immediate addressing mode, all other three addressing modes such as register addressing mode, direct addressing mode, and indirect addressing modes are used in increment instructions. So the first arithmetic instruction, increment, can be used for either direct address, say increment 3H. 30 is the direct address of RAM location. Increment, another example, increment A. So A is a register. Increment at or not, indirect address. Increment RR. RR means working register. RR may have values either R0, R1, etc. R7. There are 8 working registers R0, R1, etc. R7. They are usually represented as simply RR. RR may be any working register. Increment RR. So this is addressing mode. This is indirect addressing mode. This is register addressing mode. This is direct addressing mode, because 30 is the address of RAM location. 48th RAM location address is 30. So whatever the content present in 30, it is incremented by 1. Whatever the content present in the register A, it is incremented by 1. INC at R0 means whatever the content present in the address given by the register R0. R0 is given by some, R0 is assigned to some address. Then whatever the content present in the address is incremented by 1. Increment RR. Whatever may be the number present in RR is incremented by 1. Similarly, another mathematical instructions or arithmetic instructions are there. It is called decrement, DEC. So DEC is an arithmetic operation used to subtract 1 from the given data, or it is used to decrease the data by 1. So decrement A and decrement example 30. Decrement at or not, decrement RR. You see, this decrement has only destination and no source. Increment also has only destination and no source. Therefore, the instructions increment and decrement have only destination address and there is no source address in these mathematical instructions, in these arithmetic instructions. And this increment and decrement can be used for all modes of addressing modes except immediate addressing mode. Here decrement A is accumulator or register. It's a register addressing mode. R0 to R7 is a register. It is a register addressing mode. At R0, indirect addressing mode. RAM 30, direct addressing mode. Because 30 represents the 48th RAM location of internal RAM. We have already discussed these RAM locations and you will discuss in unit 1. See, there are usually how many RAM locations are present? There are 127 RAM locations, including the first RAM location 00, which is becoming 128 RAM locations. 00 is the address of R0. 01 is the address of R1. 02 is the address of R2. Similarly, etc. etc. 128. So 127 means 7F. Last RAM location is 7F. There is another RAM location, say 30. What is the value of 30? This is 48 decimal number. 48th RAM location is given by the address 30. 30 is the direct address of location 48. 00 is the direct address of location 0. 01 is the direct address of location 1, second location. 02 is the direct address of third location, etc. The direct address of 48 location of RAM is 30. 16 So 30 is the hexadecimal address. It is a byte given for the 48th RAM location. Therefore, 30 represents direct RAM locations. So, these are all the instructions. Decrement A. This decreases the content of A by 1. Decrement 30. This decreases the content present in the direct RAM location 30. Decrement at R0. This decreases the data present in the address which is specified by the register R0. ಈ R0 ಅನ್ನೋ ರಿಜಿಸ್ಟ್ರ್ ಯಾವುದೋ ಒಂದು ಅಡ್ರೆಸ್ನ ಸ್ಪೆಸಿಫೈ ಮಾಡುತ್ತೆ. ಆ ಅಡ್ರೆಸ್ಸಲ್ಲಿ ಏನು ಡೇಟಾ ಇದೆಯೋ ದಟ್ ಡೇಟಾ ಈಸ್ ಡಿಕ್ರಿಮೆಂಟೆಡ್ ಬೈ 1. Decrement RR. R0 to R7 there are 8 registers. So this decreases 1 from the data present in any register R0 to R8. I will show the examples. I will give you some examples. So move A comma hash 3 to H. What is this means? It is an immediate addressing mode in which immediate number 32 is moved to the register A. Now the register A contains the value 3 to H. If I write increment A, increment is the arithmetic instruction. It should have only destination, no source. Therefore, you can't write increment A comma something. It is just increment A. Increment A means what is the content of A now? A is 32. So increment means it increases by 1. So content of this A is 32. It is incremented by 1. Now A contains 33H. Again increment A. Now A becomes 34H. If I write decrement A, now what is the content of A? 34H. Decrement means it decreases the content of A by 1. The content of A is 34. Therefore, now A becomes 33H. Again decrement A. The content of A is 33. Decrement. Therefore, A is equal to 32H. In this way, you can use to increase the data by 1 or decrease the data by 1. The instructions used are INC increment, DEC decrement. These are all arithmetic operations. Another example, move 30 comma hash 4AH. What is this? This is direct addressing mode. The RAM location 30 means 48th RAM locations. Where the 48th RAM location is given by the direct address 30. It is a 8-bit register. Now in that direct 8-bit register, load the number 4A. Now RAM location 30 contains the data 4A. Therefore, this implies that 30 RAM location contains the data 4AH. H represents the hexadecimal number. Here I have not written H, therefore it is direct RAM address. Now decrement 30. What is this? Degrees whatever the number present in RAM location 30. The number present in RAM location 30 is 4A. Decrease it by 1. Therefore, decrement 30 implies that the RAM location now 30 contains the number 4 or A. 4A minus increase. Degrees. 4A means 4A minus 1. Decrement. So, A means 10. 10 al 1 hodre 9. That is 4. That is 49H. Again, decrement 30 means whatever may be the number present in 30. What is the number present in 30 now? 49H. Decrease it by 1 means now the RAM location 30 contains 48H. If I write increment 30 means the number present in 30 is 48H now. Increase this by 1. Therefore, RAM location 30 now contains the number 49H. In this way, you can use the increment instructions and decrement instructions to increase the data by 1 or to decrease the data by 1. These instructions are called arithmetic instructions. These instructions consist of only the destination. This destination address may be either register addressing mode, direct addressing mode, indirect addressing mode, but not immediate number. It should not consist of it. The immediate number should consist of only in the source, but there is no source here. It has only destination. Therefore, immediate addressing mode is not possible. I will give you some other examples for indirect addressing mode. Example, if I take move, for indirect addressing mode we use only two registers that we know very well, the register R0 and the register R1. Only two registers are used for indirect addressing mode. But registers R0 to R7, total 8 registers are used for register addressing mode. But for indirect addressing mode, we use only two registers R0 and R1. It should be noted carefully. Now I will load move R0 comma hash 08H. What does it mean? R0 is loaded, the register R0 is loaded with 8. Therefore, now R0 is equal to 08H. Now I will write move 08 comma hash 2BH. What this implies? Now 08 becomes the address of R0. I have loaded 08 to the R0. Therefore, R0 is equal to 8. Here I have mentioned the destination as 08. The destination address is 08 means it is the address of register R0. Now the address of register R0, that is 08, contains the number 2B. This implies that 08 now contains the number 2BH. Here I have written 08H because it is a number loaded into R0. Here I have not written H because 08 now acts as address of R0. Here this is the number contained in R0. Now this becomes address of R0. Now I will write another instruction, say increment at R0. What is this? R0. What is the address of R0? 08. What is the number contained in that 08? 2B. So, the data 2B contained in the address 08, which is specified by the register R0. It is incremented by 1. Therefore, what is the number contained in the address of R0? That is 08 is the address. The number is 2B. Therefore, 08 address now contains 2B plus 1, 2CH. Similarly, increment at R0. Now address of R0 is 08. The number is 2C. Increment means 08 is now 2C plus 1. That is 2DH. Similarly, you can write this decrement at R0. What this means? 08 is the address of R0. The number contained is 2D. Decrement, therefore, decrease it by 1. Now 08 contains 2D minus 1 is 2CH. In this way, decrement at R0 means the address of R0 is 08. It contains 2D. Decrease it by 1. So 2D minus 1 is 2C. Now the address 08 contains 2C. Here 08 is the address of the register R0. Now what is the number contained? 2C. This is indirect addressing mode.